I really like to see how is the trees now changing color. It is interesting. So now is the end of the summer. Ooh, that's the water. It was a big raining, and now the temperature is a bit cooler and fresh. Dzień dobry, good morning everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. Yes, so it is a very nice, refreshing, crisp air. Actually, it's now about 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and Damian will rush to work today because it was a big raining, and he has projects that he has to finish, I think, because next month he is traveling again. If I'm not mistaken, he will travel to Berlin and any other cities in Germany because of the project is mostly there. So today's my plan is I'm gonna take you just stroll around the park here and next to the Starry Brovar, because of the weather slightly changes. It was like from yesterday it was hot and sunny. Before coming here I was in the building in Noble 9 bringing some documents. The school gonna open soon, but yes, my document is not finished yet. I'm not sure that whether I'm gonna start to work again in education. So yeah, I was meeting with the general manager and the school boards, and we are just like I don't know, we're just waiting for the good news from my paperwork from the government. Actually, it's beautiful, really. Like now the leaves looks like a different color. Here the children playground usually busy packed with the children. Unfortunately, because it was a big raining, so now it's not so busy. Walking here in the middle of the park, it's a nice feeling. So what I really enjoy doing in Poznan, especially I really like walking in the park. So just like this, and this one park Dombrowskiego next to the Starry Brovar, and in the front of me is a Starry Brovar mall. It was a brewery long time ago, and yes, nowadays turning into the mall. This area is mainly in the red brick building, that's the tower, and behind is Undersia tower is actually another business district. Here there are so many restaurant, shopping center, and I really like strolling around this area. So when it is raining, I can straightforward run into the building. So yeah, nice. It was a glass door long time ago when the first time I came, but now it's already open. It is very nice. I really like the building architecture, especially this clock tower and that kind of a statue. It's nice. It's just like, watching this one, you learn something about a piece of history. How is the brewery long time ago, and now becoming a nice fancy restaurant here. And yeah, I like to see the glass roof like this. It's just like a piece of old building mixed with a brand new building architecture, and the lamp also. And yeah, that's very antique. I take you out there, and that's the business building. Look like a gallery, right? Mall gallery at the same time. So this one is the lift actually. Nice. I just see that statue over there. There actually another food court that is very affordable, that I can say, if you compare with the previous restaurant area. And here I feel amazed with the, you know, like the roof, I can say rooftop or ceiling or something like that. It's nice. And I think that that's over there is the sort of the, you know, offices. And down here is the mall. And down there is a kind of the galleries. It's nice. I just look at the building here. And down here is actually the coffee shop. And also this kind of the Umbra statue. There's many nice coffee shop. Carpichko, Petit Paris, and yeah. And we were there before, outside. It's nice. I decided to go to one coffee shop in Carpichko where so many people. I ordered one Rusduvka, sweet buns, and hot cappuccino. And here is the vibe here. It's nice. I thought that I choose the wrong coffee shop where so many jadek or grandpa looking at me while sipping you know, my coffee. I think that they must be thinking that I'm a lost who's sitting in that coffee shop. The Stary Brouwer Mall, and here is the outside actually. So many families are here. Everywhere I go it's just family. Nice. So this Stary Brouwer Mall from here until there till the end. It's quite a big mall. And next to it is the Ibis Hotel, and this one is the music theater in Poznan, and Novotel Hotel, and there over there is the casino. So this is like my husband and I always thinking looks like the kind of the concept, the same like concept of the Marina Bay in Singapore, where the mall, a casino, hotel, and business district in the same area. Interesting. And this is the traffic situation. So Poznan is not about the old building, but there are so many brand new business district here. Like this one, casino, hotel, and many things. This building in front of me, my husband said it's gonna be the tallest tower after the Baltic, actually in Poznan. And that's another hotel that I show you. So this one is the prime location actually for the business people, I guess. And yeah, so many nice things. And now in front of me is the Powieska Street. If you turn left and go straight there, you will go to the market square of Stary Rynek, and that's the end of the mall, actually the Stary Brouwer. I'm in the tram station. I'm looking for the tram number 2. We will go back home in the Rynek Jasicki, and this is how it looks. I think it's gonna be raining soon. And this is how the traffic situation, and that's the park, and that's also another park. And that's behind, that's over there is the Noble 9 Tower. So I was there before. Yes, I was there before in Noble 9 Tower. It's pretty close by. Right, I just arrived in the Rynek Jasicki. Now I would like to go to the Rynek, the market, going shopping for cooking after this. It's Fika o'clock, kochanie.
Dzień dobry. We found out accidentally the new shop.
Coffee shop?
Yeah, in the Avenida Mall, but very nice, isn't it? Very comfy chair.
And this one is really look like a coffee shop at the same as a gallery, something like that, right, kochanie? And I really like the concept, basically nice. And that is the so many paintings, beautiful paintings. Nice coffee, kochanie?
nice Ili coffee actually, nice. Big cup but nice.
What are you reading?
There is so many books here, so many. And then I found out the Ithaca catalog, not paid endorsement for Ithaca. However, we used to work with them a long time ago. And then they have many countries on the list where they are selling. And there is the Bali somewhere over here, one. And in Bali we have like this one. So there is, I think, Lakaleke waterfall or something like that.
What resort they sell?
And they sell 3 resorts, right? So this is the Maya Ubud resort, this one.
I think once we stay there.
Once we stay there, that's true. During the pandemic, but we stay. Then we have a Wapa di Ume Sidemen, which I know this hotel very well. I used to fly drone there. We used to stay there. We used to go for coffee there, for afternoon tea. We know the owners, managers, everybody. We know this. I know this hotel very well. And whenever I see these pictures, I can accurate as everything looks like this one in Wapa di Ume Sidemen. And then we have a hotel number 3, which everybody know it. And we also used to stay there and been many times for the coffee or something, right? Which is legendary Hotel Melia Bali in Nusa Dua. But also pretty accurate. Looks like this one, and it's actually...
Yes.
This is actually true. So, brings memory. But it's actually very accurate. Nothing really is what I cannot confirm. I mean, the pictures are, of course, the beautiful, but overall it's like everything is accurate in this one.
No
And
Canggu then.
No Canggu,
No Kuta.
no Kuta, no
No
nothing
Uluwatu.
else. Then we have a Sri Lanka, perhaps also nice.
We should go there one
We
day,
have
huh?
to go to Sri Lanka one day. And what is on the list? Maldives, Zanzibar, Nosibie. I don't even know where is it actually. I need to find out. Mexico, Dominicana, Barbados. Barbados must be nice. Rihanna is coming from there. Bali, Sri Lanka. We never go there, but we have to go to Sri Lanka one day. Thailandia. Or let's see what is in Thailand actually. Then will be the Portugal, Spain, Georgia and Italy. Okay, let's go to the page of Thailandia, which will be Thailand will be in 44 because we used to live in Thailand also for a few months, right? And Thailand, what Thailand have it? Thailand.
Phuket.
Ooh, Thailand put the nice pictures, Sayang. Look, why they didn't put the pictures of Bali, but Thailand they put picture with the girls like this on a traditional outfit. For Bali they put just the waterfall. This is some. You see the Bali? I don't know why. I don't know. They don't care about the culture, like I said. Lucky they didn't put the Omnia as the beach club. I mean, not Omnia, Fins in Canggu. Okay, in Thailand, what we have? Khao Lak, which is interesting because Khao Lak is not like a really famous famous destination in Thailand, but they put some nice hotel.
Maybe they just sell the premium one only.
Yeah, they put 2 hotels in Phuket. Oh. Okay, legendary Phuket. But that's nice hotels. All of them, they are 5-star anyway. They put Hua Hin and Pattaya. Like this
Hua
one.
Hin?
Yeah, Hua Hin and Pattaya. But I would like to notice is they put more in Thailand than in Bali actually. And then what else they put? No, that's the nice one. Hanover Islands. But they are nice, but that's not Asia anymore. Okay, that's it. No promoting any brand, but we brings us so much memories, right, Sai?
I think that's all our video today, guys. It's Fika time, right, Kohani?
Bye.
Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
Bye.